Hi guys, I am Glenn of Rayglen Games. Welcome to this devlog. Today I'm going to show you how some indie game developers are making their own music for free. Now, if you have come across this website called the beatbox.com, this is a free software or web app that can let you generate music for your games. It can generate background music, and by doing that you are going to be free from any copyright lawsuit or problems or issues. You can also use this to create background music for your YouTube channels, and for your videos you don't have to worry about getting tagged with copyright issues. So I'm just gonna explain a bit about it, and since this is a pretty straightforward app, it doesn't really take much of an effort to build the music. I'm just going to explain to you the user interface, and actually even if you don't have background for music or any music theory, you can still create music in here just by randomly entering notes in these grids or bars or notes. And you don't have to worry about it because, as you can see, the notes are already filtered, and the notes that are not included in the scales are omitted. So you can actually see it from here. I have selected the easy, and if you want to select the expert because you know music, then you can do so. But by doing that, all of the notes that are not included in the scale will also come up, and it will be up to you to remove or use notes that belong to the music or chords. But for us who are not really good at music, then we can select the easy scale, which is the pentatonic major. And as you can see, all of these chords will play with the other notes around here in here well, and they will not be will be playing against each other because they will complement each other because they are in the same scale. So I'm just going to explain a bit, and I will proceed with creating the music and hope you can follow it. But trust me, it's super easy. Okay, as you can see from here, there are 4 ones, and the column is divided by 4 and divided by 4 rows. Now each column will represent 1 bit. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but this 4 here is 4 bit is 1 bar probably. I'm not really sure about it. Each row will represent different instruments. As you can see from here, if I select the first row, you can see that the type of music instrument is a music box. And if I go to the second one, it changes, whereas you can also replace it with another music instrument. The third one, you can put bass in here, and for the fourth one, you can use percussions. If we click play, you will notice that this line here will move towards the side. It means that our music is already playing. But since we didn't put something in this grid here, these rectangular bars in here, then we won't be able to hear anything. Like I said, I'm going to put my percussion at the bottom, bass at the second row, rhythm at the third row, and the melody or the lead at the top row. Now you can extend your music to the next bar by dragging this purple thing at the bottom, and when you click on the play button, it will not stop from here or loop from here, but rather it will continue to the second bar and loop again to the first note when it is done. So as you can see from here, then you can also drag this all the way to the end, and you will have 4 bars. Okay, so I'm not gonna say anything at the moment. I'm gonna focus on creating the music, and let's just see what's gonna come up with this. Oh yeah, before anything else, you can sample the music or the notes or the tone by clicking on the icon at the left before you actually put this in this bar. That goes the same for the percussions. So you can test it from here before applying it to the grid. Okay, so let's proceed. Right, so that's how easy it is to create music. I think I didn't do well, but hopefully with constant practice, my music will improve, and we can be able to create nice music after this. But anyway, if you want to export this to WAV or MP3, you can do so with, hold on, here, file, and export song. Then you can select whether it's MP3 in format, in MP3 format or in WAV format. So I'm gonna select MP3 and I'm gonna hit export. So it's done. What I'm going to do now is play this into my media player and let's see and hear the music. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and like my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.